So, the purpose of this is to familiarize you with the Occupational Outlook Handbook website. So as you can see, what you can do is you can just Google, all right, Occupational Handbook, and this is what you will come up with. I want you to notice that this one is provided to you by the U.S. government. So everything in here is legitimate, okay? So what you would do is you would just click on that Occupational Outlook Handbook, and this is what the website looks like. All right, they have changed it a little bit. All right, but you will be writing a paper for this class, just 3 pages in total, and you will be doing some research on 2 careers that you may be interested in. They do not have to be related to each other. They could be completely different. Okay, so what you would do is you would click in here and you would write down what you possibly, one of your careers that you may be interested in. Okay, and then hit go. I'm going to give it a minute. And then you would click on, over here has registered nurses, which is our nurse practitioner, whatever it is, licensed practical nurse. All right, a lot of students here at BCC are interested in becoming registered nurses, so that's what I'm going to click on. All right, now I just want you to see how this is set up. So if you look across here, all right, this talks about registered nurses. These are all of the areas, all right, that they are going to give you information about. Summary, and the summary is right here. What nurses do, the work environment, how do you become one, what does the pay look like, what's the job outlook, very, very important. State and area data, also very important. Maybe the job outlook around this area is not too good, so maybe you need to look at something else, or maybe you need to be willing to move. All right, similar occupations, and then there's more information. Now, what I want you to realize is whatever is across here is also down here. All right, what registered nurses do, right here, what they do. Work environment, work environment. But what some students don't realize is if you click on this, on each one of these, then you get all of the information that you need. All right, so again, you have to click on each one. All right, what are the duties? Okay, now you are not going to cut and paste. You're going to do this in a regular paper format. Okay, then you click on the work environment. What is the work environment? 60% work in hospitals, et cetera, et cetera. Let's see how much money they're going to make. Pay. All right, they're going to, well, look at that. You work for the government. All right, you're going to get about $80,000. That's not bad. In the hospital, $75,000. Wow. All right, so that's one example. I'm going to give you one more example. Let's see, engineer. All right. And again, let's see, what kind of engineer do we want? How about a mechanical engineer? All right, so notice that there are all different kinds. Civil engineer, biomedical engineer, that's a up and coming one, all right? That's like prostheses and things like that, pretty neat. Electrical engineer, all right? So let's do biomedical engineer, all right? And look at that, the guy has, I think, a prosthesis on there. And they even give you a little video now. So again, look at that, how much money they make a year. Median. What does median pay mean? That means the in the middle, all right? $91,000 a year. Wow. So again, biomedical, what do they do? All right, you can either click up here, gives you the information, or you can click down here. All right. So basically, all of the information that you need is here on this website. I would like you to look at one other resource for your paper, but there is a lot of information here, and it's important information. Think something that you should know. A lot of times people just say, "Oh, I want to be a nurse." What I would like you to do is think about, well, what else can you do that's related? There are so many jobs in the medical field, so many. So hopefully this will help you to do your research on your two careers.